Hi my country pipo, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Omogbemisola. American International School wey dey for Abuja, AISA don ask Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) make dem provide evidence of payment so dat di school go return di school fees wey before Governor for Kogi State Yahaya Bello pay for im children in advance. We hear say Bello pay $720,000 in advance for im 5 children wey be di money wey e comot from Kogi State government purse. Di children we hear say dem dey grade 2 to 8 for di school. Na April 17 EFCC go surround Bello house for Abuja so dey can arrest him on top 80.2 billion naira fraud wey dem take accuse am. EFCC still dey im house wen Kogi State Governor Usman Ododo come visit am, come visit Bello for house. Na dis one make EFCC tok say Ododo carry Bello comot for house inside im official car. Na inside di letter wey school write send to EFCC zonal commander for Lagos, di school tok say na $845,852 Bello pay dem since September 7, 2021 till today, but na $760,910 dem go return as dem don already deduct di educational services inside di money. Dem come say make EFCC forward to dem official written request with authentic banking details so dat dem go refund di remaining money. Dem say dem no dey expect any money again because dem don already settle di students school fees till dey graduate from ASIA. As dem promise say dem go quickly tell EFCC if any money wey dey again wey Bello family pay. Before now, EFCC chairman Ola Olukoyede tok say dis former governor transfer $720,000 from government purse to bureau de change before e comot for office to pay im children school fees in advance. Na inside di interview wey dem do for Olukoyede for Abuja e tok dis one come outside as e tok say how person go do dat kain tin for poor state like Kogi. Im no go close im eyes. Dis further tori dey inside Punch newspaper. Plenty pipo wey be workers dey inside one building wey collapse today for Kano State. Di building dey Konto area for Gwale local government area for Kano State. We hear say e reach 11 pipo wey dey trapped under di rubble of di building wey collapse. Rescue operation dey go on now as dem recover dead body. Road safety pipo don carry pipo wey wunjure go hospital. Dis further tori dey inside Punch newspaper. National Industrial Court wey siddon for Ibadan don confam Justice Adepele Ojo as di Chief Judge of Osun State. Di court grant all di relief wey di Chief Judge ask against Osun State Government and Osun State House of Assembly, including perpetual injunction wey make both di executive and legislative arms of government no get power to comot Ojo as number 1 judicial officer for di state. Trouble start between Osun government and Justice Ojo for year 2023 wen Osun Assembly pass motion wey dem take suspend am comot for Chief Judge post. Dem pick anoda Chief Judge wey be Justice Olayinka Afolabi, but dat one refuse to turn up the next day for swearing in. Justice Ojo drag state government and State House of Assembly to National Industrial Court of Nigeria to secure order wey go stop Governor Ademola Adeleke from removing her as Chief Judge of Osun. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post newspaper. Ogun State Governor Prince Dapo Abiodun don appoint Tunde Onakoya as di state sports ambassador. Dis honour follow di recent record-breaking chess marathon wey Onakoya receive for Times Square, New York. During di time wey Onakoya receive di award yesterday, Governor Abiodun show say im gbadun as Onakoya take reach di global stage. E say e for no dey possible but for im determination, resilience and hard work. After dat, governor come reveal im plan for Ogun State chess competition wey e go take honour Onakoya. Dis further tori dey inside Leadership newspaper. Burkina Faso don suspend BBC and Voice of America radio networks for 2 weeks on top say dem accuse di army say na dem attack civilians. International NGO Human Rights Watch tok am yesterday say sojas for Burkina Faso jihadist North don kill at least 223 villagers including 56 children inside 2 revenge attacks wey happen on February 25. Na Communication Authority (CSA) announce yesterday night say dem don suspend dis 2 stations sake of say dem dey too biased and hasty to declare without tangible proof say na Burkina army kill civilians. Dis further tori dey inside The Guardian newspaper. Lagos state government don come outside tok say Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu no announce say im don increase minimum wage to 70,000 naira. Na Lagos State Commissioner for Information Gbenga Omotosho disclose dis inside statement yesterday. Omotosho say confusion happen after one event wey shele for governor office on Wednesday wia Sanwo-Olu unveil Eko Cares, di program wey dem wan take support pipo wey dey suffer economic hardship. E say Sanwo-Olu no tok about increase for minimum wage. Omotosho say Lagos state civil servants don dey collect current national minimum wage of 35,000 naira since January 2024. Na mistake di pesin wey quote Sanwo-Olu do. E no announce 70,000 naira as new minimum wage. Dis further tori dey inside The Guardian newspaper. If una gbadun dis tori, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so dat we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.